Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. Till the previous class, we have completed block 25 and we also did the slip test and we have done the project work. Yes. Now from today's class, we will start the revision children. Okay. We have essay portion here. Essay portion is block 10, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24 and 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally we have 10 blocks children for essay portion. Okay, from today we will start the revision. And the revision you have to write, if you have two notebooks, right? Two notebooks, one notebook you have written for classwork. If it is finished first classwork, you can start from the second classwork. The revision you can start in the second classwork. Or else if you have the in first book only, if you have the pages left over, you can fold the page and write social revision, essay revision there, and you can start writing the revision children. Okay, from today's class only we will start the revision children. Okay, in the front page you have to write, compulsory you have to write the portion children. What portion is there? Okay, I'll show you in the book also how you have to write. Okay children, from today's class we'll start the revision. That is, today's class will start block 10. That is the first block 10, different people. Now let's summarize the different people children. What is the different people? Different people is in the how the life in the villages, cities, tribal people, how they are used to live together. Everything is about different people. Means how in the life will be in the villages. They do farming, they travel in the bullock carts, only some buses and cars will be there. What about the lifestyle of the cities? Cities, we have the metro rails, trains, buses, cars, flights and everything. Means aeroplane and everything. We go for work for factories. We don't do farming here. We go for factories for work. So many things are there in the cities. What about the tribal people? Tribal people live in the forest or hilly areas. Yes, what material they get from there? They live there only and they build the houses. What material they will get from there, and they live there only. Different types of lives are there, but these three are useful to each other. Factories, we can work the farming, the crops are used to we get food, so it useful for all of us. And from the hilly areas, the tribal people, they get the medicine from them, that also useful to all the people. Like that, each and every life is linked to each and every one. This is about the different people. Now open your classwork, we'll start. I'll show you some bits what we have to write for the revision. You will write it. Okay, now open your classwork.
Yes, children, I've already told you, if you have the old means two classworks we have. In first classwork you have any pages left over, so fold the page like this children and write social essay revision. Okay, if you don't have any pages in the leftover pages in the first book, you can take second book and start writing the revision from that book. Okay, after doing like this, so fold the page and write social essay revision. Hey children, today's date is 22/2/2021 and write essay revision, and you have to write the block. How many blocks are there for the revision? I've already shown you in the board, but also I'm showing you again. We have the blocks 25, 24, 23, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 12, 10. Totally we have 10 blocks children. From volume 2 we have 10, 12 and 16, and volume 3 we have 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25. Okay children, this everything you have to write it in the first page of the revision children. Okay, blocks, 10 blocks you have to write, and volume 2 3 blocks you have, and volume 3 7 blocks you have to write it. And next, turn the page children, turn the page and write today's date. First we will start what we have here. First block what we have, 10th block from volume 2. So we'll start from the 10th block children. Okay, write block 10 here. Open your reader. What is the block 10? It's different people. So write it here, different people. Okay children, after writing different people, you have to write here revision children. From today we will start a revision. So today's homework is, you have to write, open your reader, you have to write open page number 67. You have to write glossaries, 1 2 3 4 5 6 glossaries. So write it here. First write down everything. Page number 67, glossary. Okay, again turn the page. You have true or false here. Yes, now write here page number 68, true or false. And next, open your workbook, children. Open your volume 2, where the 10th block will be there. Volume 2 workbook. Okay, volume 2 workbook, page number 11. Page number 11 you open, children. You have S2, life in villages. Second bit and third bit, children. Second bit and third bit you have to write. Write it down here. Volume 2 workbook, page number 11, second bit and third bit. Okay, this is your today's revision, children. You have to write, after writing for every day, you have to write date, block, and what revision you are doing today. You have to write like this, children. Then you have to start writing the revision. Every bit 2 times, children. 2 times you have to write. Okay, write here first bit glossary, write 2 times, second bit true or false, write 2 times, and third bit second question 2 times, third question 2 times. Okay, now let's read the glossary first. Okay, dispensary, a place where people are given treatment and medicines. Factories, places where things are made. Forefathers, parents, grandparents or their parents. High school, a school up to 12. Ornaments, jewelry or things worn to make something attractive. Primary school, a school up to class 5. Next, turn the page. First bit, true or false, or also we are doing revision today. Villages can be of different size. Yes, true. Most people in India live in cities. False. People in cities go to offices and factories to work. True. Tribal people don't enjoy singing and dancing. False. Buildings, restaurants and cinema halls are found in small villages. False. We found in cities, children. So, false. So, glossary and true or false we have finished. Now, open your workbook. Let's read the second bit. List the things that we find in a small village and those that we find in a large village. Large village and small village. What we find? In large village, cement houses, buses and motorcycles, both primary and high school, post office and hospitals. And in small villages, what we find? Wood, stone or mud houses. Very few cars, buses and cycles are, and more bullock carts. Third one, only primary school, hospitals and post office is there. Third question. Do you think people living in villages are healthier than people in cities? Give reasons. The people in villages are healthier because they vegetables get they eat. Sorry, children. Because they get fresh air, they also get fresh fruits and vegetables to eat. What is the answer? See properly, children. The people in villages are healthier because they get fresh air. They also get fresh fruits and vegetables to eat. This is the answer. Okay, children, write glossary, true or false, and these 2 questions 2 times in your classwork book in the revision side. Okay, children, read all what bits I am giving. This is only revision, children, which you get in the essay exam. Okay, learn well and write it 2 times. Okay, thank you.